Hello, people. This is HorrorFan49. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I made that video. But it's just because I keep forgetting to make these videos, and also I've been waiting to get my new Xbox. I want to do an unboxing video. So my next video will probably be on Friday. I'm guaranteed, or tomorrow. It depends if I have the house to myself. So anyway, alright. So let's see what we can do today. Alright, let's see what we can review. Then we get movies to review. My hard clutch is now not on my shelf anymore. It's not my shelf. It's not my locker shelf. Hmm. Today I am reviewing the original 1975 Toby Hooper film, The Texas Chainsaw. These are the same film. Because I bought this at Barnes & Noble. I went there with my brother. He wanted to get me a book from the Legos. And I saw this movie here. I'm like, that's kind of weird. And I had the remake. And it wants for part 2 in the original. So I found it. I bought it. And I'm like, I want to get not only part 2, but if I get money for it, I always forget the FYE to buy it. And this one, I got at the flea market. I saw it. I want to see how will it look like to watch the original version of VHS. And it's just been way more scarier than watching DVD. Because it's more blurry and everything. VHS, just take a look at it. Okay. This box is cool, yeah. But this one's scary because of how they caved back in it. So I can't show you this. I'm just in my room, so I can't show you the original version. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. So, I can show you the DVD version. Okay, there's gonna be a spoiler on showing this. Okay, so if you haven't seen this film, don't watch what I'm about to show you. Oh, here's the inside of it. People don't know so much, and my friends don't believe about this, but this film told you just to get the idea from Ed Gein, a notorious killer who died in 1950. Like he used to go to graves, dig up the corpses, take the parts, kill people, and that's why he inspired the character Leatherface. Also inspired Psycho Appeal, and he was really creepy. Like he was like kill you. He just was a woman, which is an wait. This is Leatherface just as a woman. That inspired to make Leatherface. It shouldn't. Now the killing same, kind of like this from cover here. Actually, it's kind of actually happened. In the story, it's supposed to happen too. So it's the scene I want to show you guys. It's really black and white with like DVDs and bundles, all kinds of cables to make it colors. Did you do a color or is your a color or no sound? So here you go. So anyway, Total was starting to make it and it was really hard to tape some remakes not because it's remake. But this one was really hard to make. They announced it as special edition, though I think it was really hard to make with the heat and everything. And to be honest with you, the first film was banned over 7 countries or states, I'm not sure. And I don't know why it was banned. When I first saw it, I was scared, but I didn't think it would be banned. I'm like, how could a movie like that be banned? The sequel was not banned. It was just the first one was banned. The third one was hilarious. They actually had cut down on the hardcore because they don't want to get in trouble. Alright, let me see. Sorry for poor quality, folks. I'm gonna fast forward, you see. Oh, oopsie, went too fast, guys. Hurry! Oh, this fucking TV. Alright, keep watching. So it's black and white, but I think it's better in black and white though. Probably should be better in black and white. Try for a volume. Yeah. Sorry, I have finally on my Xbox and I think I'm my brother's sleeping. So there's Texa Massacre. Now tomorrow, Wednesday review is probably on Friday. I'm not gonna be reviewing any horror movies next week. I'm gonna be reviewing. I'm gonna unbox Red Paradise Part 2, a adapter, Halo Reach, headsets, and that's about it. And so, time being, if you guys can subscribe and also comment. Well, oh yeah, I found out that Kick-Ass issue 3 will be released this August 24th, and when it comes out, I'm gonna review it for you, and that's when I also review Kick-Ass 2. So August 24th, yeah, I'm gonna review it with you guys. And I'll get into that. Also, comment about Kick-Ass 4, anything about Kick-Ass, anything about horror stuff. Okay, comment about if you like the Chucky remake. I know it's going to 2013, but it might not. But I don't know. I know the Halloween 3D, it was come out October 2012, 26, and 14 or 16 of that same year, of October 2012, it's the Legacy, which it's pretty much Texa Massacre beginning went 3D. It's kind of stupid, I know. And that's about it. So, bye from Horror Master. Remember to subscribe, comment about anything about horror stuff, and kick out anything that you tell me when we release it. Anything. That's about it. So, bye from Horror Master. Peace out, y'all.